Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. My husband is a pretty classy guy. He dresses up every day for work, but even though he wants to look nice, he does not want to sacrifice comfort. That's why he loves these Haan loafers, because they are such a nice classic style, yet so comfortable. They have great support. They don't hurt his feet after wearing them all day. That's a huge win for him. They're easy to take off and on. One thing to keep in mind with these is you may need to size down. So my husband normally wears a 10.5 in Haan, but he found with this style, he needed a 9.5. If you dress up every day like my husband does, it's so important to have a nice, comfortable shoe. You do not want to come home with your feet hurting. So if you're looking for something that is very classic, very stylish, and doesn't kill your feet, you should check these out. And that's our point of view.